The ThermaCor 1200 is the easiest rapid infuser to set up on the market, bar none. Let's walk through a quick setup of the unit. I'm going to go ahead and power on the unit and remove the component guard. This guard should always be on the unit when it doesn't have a cassette. In your sterile packaging, you'll get 3 essential items. A triple spike, if you're going to run a triple spike. If you're going to use a large reservoir, that'll come packaged separately. You'll also get a sterile packaged cassette and a patient line, either a single 6-foot patient line like this or a dual patient line. We're going to prime with the single patient line. Now the unit is powered on, and I've placed the load latch in the load position. That's facing the operator directly out. So I want to move it from the closed position directly toward the operator. Now we're ready to set up and go. I'll take the one-piece disposable cassette, place it at a 45-degree or greater angle onto the unit, and close the load latch. Now the cassette is secured. I'm going to open the pump door and push the roller pump tubing all the way to the back. This is an important step. And then close the roller pump door. Now it's self-centering, and now I've just got 3 easy connections and the priming sequence. So let's do those connections. First, I'm going to connect the triple spike, and all the caps are color coded. You can't set this up wrong. So I'm going to remove the blue cap from the triple spike and the blue cap from the cassette and make that connection. Underneath, those caps are also color coded. The connections are, they're color coded clear. Now I'm going to connect the return line, and those caps are color coded yellow. Again, the connections are all unique, so you can't connect it wrong. And I'm just going to remove the 2 yellow caps and twist those together. Now I'm going to connect the patient line and go through the prime sequence. The patient line is color coded red, as was the cap on the cassette itself. Making sure that my patient line's not clamped, and I'm going to unclamp my fluid source from the triple spike where I've already spiked the bag. I'm priming with saline. I'm going to watch as the fluid flows into the triple spike. When I get between half and 2/3 full, I'm going to hit the auto prime, and it's going to fully prime the cassette automatically. Now the cassette is fully primed. I'll go through my auto prime. Now the last step is just a manual prime to visually inspect to ensure that all the air is out of the cassette. I'm manually priming, watching that all the air is removed from the patient line. And now I'm ready to run. I'll start with rapid. Default is 500 mLs per minute. I'll hit start, and I'm flowing at 500 mLs per minute.